Hackers don't manually search Linux systems, they use one command to find everything instantly. Meet the Linux find command. The find command is used to search files and directories in Linux. It can locate hidden files, log files, large files, suspicious scripts, specific extensions, and much more. In cybersecurity, this command is heavily used during investigations because when analysts need evidence, they need to find it fast. Let's start with the basic syntax. Find /home -name notes.txt. This command searches the home directory for a file called notes.txt. Linux scans every folder inside the directory until the file is found. If the file exists, the exact location is displayed. You can also search by file extension. Find /var-name, *log. This command searches for all log files. Logs are extremely important in cybersecurity because they contain records of system activity. Security analysts inspect logs for failed login attempts, suspicious IP addresses, malware behavior, unauthorized access. The star symbol works as wildcard. It means find anything ending in .log. One common attacker technique is hiding malicious files. In Linux, hidden files begin with a dot. For example, .payload, .backdoor, .secret. To reveal hidden files, find /home-name, .static. This command searches for hidden files inside the home directory. Cybersecurity analysts often inspect hidden files during investigation because attackers try to stay unnoticed. You can also search for unusually large files. Find /size plus 100M. This command searches for files larger than 100 megabytes. Large files may indicate stolen data, unauthorized backups, malware packages, suspicious downloads. In real environments, analysts investigate unexpected large files carefully. One of the most important cybersecurity uses of find is auditing permissions. For example, find /perm 777. This finds files with full permissions. Permissions 777 allows anyone to read, write, execute the file. This is dangerous because attackers may abuse poorly secured files. That's why Linux administrators regularly edit permissions. You can even search for recently modified files. Find /home-mtime-1. This command searches for files modified within the last 24 hours. This is very useful during incident response. If suspicious activity happened recently, analysts can quickly identify changed files. Attackers often use executable scripts and payload. To search executable files, find /home-type-f-executable. This identifies executable files inside the home directory. Unexpected executable files should always be investigated carefully. Imagine a company suspects a Linux server has been compromised. The SOC analyst begins investigating. They may use find for hidden files, find for unusual permission, find for suspicious executables, find for recent changes. This allows analysts to narrow down suspicious activity quickly. And in cybersecurity, speed matters. Some useful find options include -name, search by file name, -type F, search only files, -type D, search only directories, -size, search by file size, -mtime, search by modification time, -perm, search by permissions. These options make the find command extremely powerful. The Linux find command is one of the most important powerful tools for system administration and cybersecurity. If you want to learn real Linux and cybersecurity skills, subscribe to CyberWrathX